Hi, welcome to my video on writing linear algebraic expressions with a single variable. This is practice number 1, part A, number 1. Let x be one number. Express the other number in terms of x if their sum is 10. So if their sum is 10, that means two numbers add up to 10 and one is x. The other one has to be 10 minus x. So notice that if you have one number and you take it away from 10, then you get the other one. So it's 10 minus x. They differ by 6. So one number is x and it differs by 6. It could be x minus 6, which is what most people would do. Or you could have 6 minus x also. Again, you subtract 6 from the x. This is the normal. But you could also have 6 minus x. 2 is subtracted from x. 2 is subtracted from x, so that means it's x minus 2. So if you have a number and you take away 2 again from x, so x minus 2. X subtract 4, so that's x subtract 4. Notice the subtracted is reversed. That's x minus 2. 2 less 3. Sorry, x less 3. X less 3. 7 less than x. Again, less than, reverse it, so it's x minus 7. Nuts. Again, less is a direct subtraction, but less than you reverse it. So it's x minus 7. The sum of twice x and 5. The sum of twice x and 5. So it's not this. That's twice the sum of. That's twice the sum of x and 5. This is the sum, which means add twice x plus 5. Triple the sum of x and 11. So triple the sum. So triple the sum of x and 11. So there it is. Again, it's not that. And it's, again. So this is triple the sum. Sum means add. So add x and 11. So you triple the sum. And that could become 3x minus 33 if you want to simplify it. Let's continue. More expressions. Write an algebraic expression for each. X increase by 2. Increase means add. The product of 9x subtracted from 10. So the product of 9x, 9 and x is 9x. So that product is subtracted from 10. So it's 10 minus 9x. Again, it's not 9x, 9x, subtract 10. Subtracted from 10, so 10 is first. Twice x minus 1. Minus means subtract, so twice x minus 1. Number 3, let x be the number. Write an algebraic expression for each. X is the number, so x is the number. So the number doubled, so that's 2x less means subtract 8. 4 times the number. Again, the number is x, so 4 times the number is multiply. And again, the number is x, so half the sum of the number and 5. So it's half the sum of the number and 5. Again, is not. It's not this. It's half the sum. And we could have a half x plus 5 over 2 if you want to simplify it. Quotient of the number and 2. Quotient means divides, so the number is x. So it's x divided by 2. Quotient is divided. And we have some more practice. So I can turn this sheet over here. And again, just to repeat that we're doing these expressions to get ready to do some word problems. So we have to write these expressions first, because these expressions are going to be used in the word problems that's coming up in the next series of videos. Write a statement expressing the second number in relation to the first number. Let n be the first number. So if n is the first number, what is the second one? The second one is, you could say, first number. It's the first number plus 4. Or you could say it's the sum of the number and 4. So many ways to say it, just a few. So we have n is the first number. We have 3n subtract 6. So that's triple. So n is the first number, so it's triple the first number. Now we can say minus 6 less 6 subtract 6. So we can go 6 right here. And I could put a minus here. I could put a less here. I could put subtract there. So as many words it can go. Minus, less, subtract, 6. They all mean same. If n is the first number, this is 12 times the sum. So that's 12. 12 times the sum of the number and 10. And this one here, n and 8 minus n. So this n is the number. So this is 8. You could say it's 8 less the number. Or again, you could say number less than 8, either way. So less means the direct subtraction, less than is reversed. Number 5, let L be the length of a rectangle. Write an expression for the width if 6 is subtracted from the length. So L is the length. Write an expression for the width. So 6 is subtracted from the length. So we have the length minus 6. The width is the length minus 6. Number 6, let n represent the number of students in grade 9. Write an algebraic expression for the number of students in grade 10 if there are twice as many as in grade 9 plus 20. So the number in grade 9 is n, so there's twice as many, so that's 2n plus 20. So the number in grade 10 is double or twice the number in grade 9. N is the number in grade 9, so twice that, add on 20. So that's a review of linear expressions, first practice. And again, I have these sheets here. I just didn't take them away. I will now. Sorry for that. Again, like all my videos, if you like my video, click on the like button, the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. And thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.